made up my mind to cut off my in-laws because they are mean to me. Is that wrong? Is that wrong? When you really believe that the person is mean, they talk to you disrespectfully, say very mean things about you, and you decide to cut them off. Now, my question would be, why did you cut them off? Is it pride? Is it that I want to prove to you that I'm the owner here and I'm the woman of the house? And so you cut your mother-in-law off and everyone connected to them. Or they have actually done things that if they bring the behaviors into your space, it will harm your children, harm you and your husband, or you and your wife. And so you decided to say, you know what, until we resolve this negative thing that you're doing, which is negative anywhere, not just in my home, I want you to back off. So how do you know if it is wrong or right? It is right when you know that the things they've said about you, the things they're doing, is continuous and it's going to continue to bring harm, and they're not willing to make a change. So you can limit your exposure. Most times it comes from fear and pride, most times, but there are times when it's a good thing. Now, how do you know it's coming from fear and pride? When you know that if you allow them to come, it will not really harm you. It will not harm any other person or any other thing except you. So in that case, I would say check very well. Ask the Lord, where is this coming from? Their behavior may be opening up some areas for you to grow in. I'm not blaming you for saying, here's my boundary. Please respect it for now. I'm not blaming you for that. However, I want you to take note that we humans, we are very selfish and self-centered, and it is possible that you are cutting them off not because God wants you to do so, but because your pride and your fear is making you do so. Now, if that's the case, I'm not saying turn that around right away. Get help to walk through the process so that you can get to the place where you want to be. If you are dealing with this in your marriage right now, don't wait. Book a free call with us. The link is below. Let's get you some real help.